How has pacifist Japan, which is supposed to be safely under US protection, found itself on the front line against China? The Japanese government has played a key role, but the United States has also pushed for its remilitarization. The US has accused the Japanese of exploiting their position under its defense umbrella to bolster economic expansion. President Trump made the position clear in 2019 in front of a stunned Japanese audience.
I'm just saying that it's an unfair agreement. And I've told him that for the last 6 months. I said, look, if somebody attacks Japan, we go after them and we are in a battle, full force and effect. We are locked in a battle and committed to fight for Japan. If somebody should attack the United States, they don't have to do that. That's unfair. That's the kind of deals we make.
The